Okay, so go see the unboxing for this. This cooler basically comes in one big solid piece. So, I'm not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing yet, but regardless. Okay, so all right, so our CPU fan is up here, and we got SATA power up here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take this. Now I'm leaving this on because we got wet thermal paste right there applied from the factory, which shouldn't be any issue with this stock thermal paste at all. So, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take oh, maybe I can. I could do it with the fan. I don't know if I can do it with the power header. I may not be able to do it with the power header. I don't think I got enough clearance. So, all right, so the power header is gonna have to go around. All right, so this is gonna have to come around like this, snake it up. Okay, that'll be fine. All right, so, okay, wide side, narrow side, wide side, narrow side. So it's gonna go like that, and it's gonna go right side up. And that's it. You just literally kind of line it up and stick it on there. And kind of wiggle it a bit. And that's it. You got plenty of clearance for your memory. And then run these backwards, just enough to get it started. Okay. So and stop. Like that. Okay, and then give it the old magic peel. There you go. That's it. Okay, and we're just gonna take our memory here, or not our memory. We're gonna take this cable. And we're going to loop it around here like so. And then we're going to tuck it inside this guy just to get it out of the way. And then we'll tie it up tight. And then we'll bring the fan header back out. When we're done. So then that way There we go. I slid it between the heatsink and the RAM. So just like that. There we go. So it's actually sitting in that channel between the heatsink and the RAM. So, okay. And then tip this up, pull this through, and then we can bring this back through. It's a 4-pin, so plug it in right there. Just like that. Okay. It fits. That's cool. But you can just see it takes a giant case to be able to get that to sit in there, right? So, okay. All right. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you see part 2 and the finale, because this is where we're going to get to. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.